By now, you should have received the invoice for your 2019-2020 Bay East membership. Let me show you how to pay your dues bill online. The first thing you want to do after going to bayeast.org is to log into the website using the name and password that you use for Paragon. If you need help logging in, call our technical support team at 925-730-7100. Now click on the payment button in the menu area on the left side of the screen. To read a recap of changes to dues for 2019-2020, click on Billing Information. To pay your dues, click on the Member Billing button. You will see a recap of your dues for 2019-2020. These may include national, state, and local fees, MLS fees, super key fees, affiliate dues, and/or RAF contributions based on your membership type. If you are a realtor or have MLS subscription with Bay East, you have two options when paying your dues. Option A, pay all of your dues you owe except for the RAA and RAF payments that cannot be paid until December. Option B is the installment plan made up of 4 installment payments payable in June, September, and December of 2019 and March of 2020. Click on Option A or Option B to choose your preference. On this screen, you have the option to add Education Advantage and/or a contribution to the Bay East Foundation. It is also where you can choose to have future payments automatically processed and indicate how you would like the RAA payment to be used. Finally, read the dues disclosure and check the box that indicates you have read it. Once this is done, you can click on the button to continue to process your payment. The last screen is where you will enter your credit card information and click on the Process Payment button to complete the transaction. As soon as your payment has been processed, you will be sent a confirmation thanking you for being a Bay East member. If you have any questions about paying your dues, please call Bay East Billing Department at 925-730-1070.